check out this cluster here. It's a Nismo R32 GTR cluster. It's one of 560 in the world that were made, and it was designed to homologate in the Trans Am series. In that series, they had to create 500 production models. So there's 60 race cars that were produced. There's really only 560 of these clusters that were originally produced, and this is one of the few remaining ones out there that's not in a car. And it only has 37,000 kilometers on it. So this one hopefully will bring a couple grand, which I've never seen a cluster that's this expensive before. That's not like a new digital one, but kind of a cool piece of history right here, and kind of unique. And if anybody's looking for one, hit up my buddy Kevin or drop a comment below, and maybe we can get this thing shipped to you. But all in all, pretty neat piece of history here, especially if you're into Japanese cars and JDM stuff and Nismo stuff. So pretty cool. It might be on eBay. It might be sold by the time you see this. Either way, kind of something different, unique, and it's not something you see every day, especially me being a Mustang guy. So anyway, it's kind of an interesting deal. Gotta love 90s cars. They're unique and they're cool.